Jude, your bedroom is a mess.
You reckon? I was going for the lived-in look.
Well, it smells like something died in here.
Well, I just have so much stuff. I don't know what to do with all the stuff that I don't really need anymore. If only there was a giant garage sale coming up sometime soon. I could give it to them.
Funny you should say that, because this coming Saturday there is a giant garage sale. It starts at 7 a.m. and there will be loads of bargains to be had.
Do you think they would like my stuff?
As long as it's not broken or dead, then I'm sure they'd love it. I know they would also love your help on Saturday if you can make it.
7 a.m.? I will do my best. What time does it finish?
It's going through till 1 p.m., so there is plenty of time for you to come down and help us. All money raised is going to the Toy Library and Kingdom Come Youth Conference.
Awesome. I might just come down with my flatmate. Speaking of which, I haven't seen him for a few days. I wonder if he's in here somewhere amongst all this junk. That could explain the smell.